Alright. Tails never fails. Let's go. Yep. I got it. Whew. Tails!
Alright, go for it.
Alright.
Technically, wouldn't it always be tails? Because it's always going up.
Right. You also have shields. Good to know.
Indeed, I do also have shields.
Yeah, the other thing with a lot of card games is a lot of knowledge comes from playing other card games. That's why. That's why
This game is a mental, a physical.
Yeah. That's how I get my mentality when building decks and stuff. It's like, I'm gonna build this around a theme, and it's gonna work like this. I'm gonna do this when I need this, that sort of stuff.
I field open.
So you just say field open?
I did just say field open.
Yeah, it looks like he's not counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1.
I need to bring my Bakugan into this. My 2 boys.
I always put off to the side. Did the message? That's a good question.
I need to buy more sleeves.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 4, 5, 6. I energize. Yes, I agree. We're gonna pay 1 for Baku and Chiiken. Just before we do anything else.
You don't play 1 for Baku Spring?
What?
Nah. I do not have Baku Spring.
No, I mean,
What?
what do you just played?
Yeah. What about it?
You haven't played anything yet.
Yeah, I know. You can still play stuff before.
I know that, but not usually that one.
Yeah. I wanted to draw.
Okay then.
I wanted to draw a card.
Oh,
Roll
you just have
one,
the ability.
roll 1 in the draw. It's as simple as that.
Yeah. All right. Ready?
Alright. 3, 2, 1, brawl.
That's another thing with rolling. You know how they have that tire, that arrow?
Yeah.
If you roll it on that axis, normally if you roll it from a certain way, so for instance, with Villainous, it's just 2 heads all the way. See?
Yeah, I tried doing like same.
So let me see.
Also, I just should have said something earlier, but I would, if you want to use this guy, I would recommend having a team with at least another shield. That way you have half. That way half your team.
Gotcha.
So it looks like this guy rolls, yep, like that. So basically his
the
tire
other way.
is like this on this axis. So
Like this. This is my other team. You see?
So kind of like how I have like
Yeah, like
5
how
fists
you
and
have
like
these
that.
guys.
so watch how straight he rolls when I do this. See?
Okay, so I roll out the other way.
Yeah. We can redo the roll. Now that you know that.
Okay.
Okay then.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not.
It's just
Yeah.
this is for fun.
We're still learning.
Ready? 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1, brawl. Aha.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I'm gonna reroll on that though.
Okay, yeah.
Because he's got his reroll.
You can go ahead and reroll.
Yeah, you still take yours off.
I'll stand.
Yeah, you still take yours off. But yeah,
Automatic
that's the
fuse.
idea.
Fusion.
That's the idea though. Oh, when you hit a shield, do you fuse?
Yep. Jinx.
Nice.
The beauty of fusion Bakugan.
Make sure I'm 2 away.
Legend variety. Really kick the ones from all our lines out the water.
Because the reason that this is also important is because if you do this, then this magnet will land here from 6 cores away, and 2 cards is 6 cores. So
It will help to have the field.
if I roll this, I'm always in line. So
Okay.
we're gonna grab a core because of that.
I feel like we're doing,
Let me see
a
what
game
my-
tutorial.
What my core is.
You get it though. You get that bonus because you're at Aquas.
Indeed. So I'm now 1400 B, 10 damage.
Yep. Let's see. I'm gonna grab this guy. Cool. So we are at 1400. 1400 B. 8 damage. You're also at 8. At 10 damage.
So,
Okay.
okay, so Hydra's is at 1400. You're at what?
I'm also at 14. And my damage is 8. So you're currently winning.
Yeah. Yes.
So we'll go Nano Fury for plus 100. So I'm at 15.
Okay, now.
Alright, now I
You don't have to open them, just.
I use Siphon.
I flip them up. That's just me. Okay, so you're gonna go Siphon.
I use Siphon and I grab a Baku card.
You grab a Baku card.
Field. Before the sun.
Sure.
Got plus 6 damage.
But I'm still at 15.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's the other thing. You gotta know field knowledge, so you should know where your core.
Yeah.
I always know where most of my cores are and which ones there.
Should have got the Helix ones.
I really should have found.
Yeah.
They mostly like do both B power and damage.
Yeah.
There's nothing I can play other than playing in energy and trying to reduce my damage.
All right. So
Minus
you're going
4.
down to 4 damage.
Yeah.
All right.
Here's my discard pile. Go for
4 damage.
1. Block non-Paris. Get wrecked.
Cool. Oh, you don't have the energy for it though.
Oh, you're right. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we put these back on the
re-energize.
field. Oh.
Re-energize.
Close Hydroid. Siphon.
So Siphon is used up for this game then.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Wow, straight up.
Yeah. I do it the other way around. It works regardless.
Yeah.
If we're just not gonna do that, then that's
Alright.
fine.
So
Alright. Which roll?
yep, make sure energies.
And okay, I do not actually. I energize.
I'm gonna pay 2 for lightning.
Oh boy, yeah.
Yep,
Yep.
it was there.
My damage is about to go haywire. Wait, do I unfuse Hydronoid?
No,
No.
he stays fused.
Nope, he's just
Sweet. Okay.
Someone made a rule that if the core is taken away, you unfuse.
Really?
Oh, that's what I recall. I don't remember.
Oh.
I do know there's an
I think it would stay.
I think there's an action card that actually unfuses about to drop.
Interesting.
Interesting. Yeah.
About there. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1, brawl.
Oi. Oh, I need to do the tire thing. I need to
Yeah.
remembering that.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you roll.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, but
Well,
that's the wrong core.
wrong chord. I don't fuse. I don't even get anything.
I go watch Jet Kuso and his rolling videos.
Yeah.
This pivot shoot thing works. I promise you, it works. I'll show you how to do it afterwards.
Like with the single finger.
I'll show you how to do it after this.
Yeah.
But
So I just
I'm
I get this core. I just don't fuse.
11 and
11.
11. Well, I'm at 17.
17. Oh,
Yeah.
God. Is there even any way that I come back from that?
But it's a 1 damage.
Oh, 700B, 1 damage.
1 damage.
Okay, yeah, no, I'll
scared
take
me.
that. That's fine.
was
Okay,
17 damage.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're good.
yeah. 1 damage is fine. Though.
Alright. Boop. Alright.
And we close Drago back up.
Yeah, because I got -3, and Frask only has 1 damage. So, yeah. So, yeah, the pivot shoot Jet Crucibles is so much better than I do. Might be easier with the big guy, actually. Oop. So, yeah. Very easy. Anyway, no, but that pivot shoot thing, yeah, well, let's draw an energy.
Draw. And I. Guy energy. Question mark. I think dice.
Interesting. Okay. So the pivot shoot is what he calls it. Is basically you're just using your wrist just to move it, right? Mm-hmm. So you want to make sure the magnet's on the bottom. 2 cards away, which is approximately 6 quarters, and you're just using your wrist.
So for Enoch, it's tired like this. Right?
Yep. Yep. So that whole thing, pretty much, and that's the tire because that magnet lands on it too. Mm-hmm. And so normally they have an arrow. Yep. He's got an arrow, and it points this way. So you'll roll him like this.
Gotcha.
No, it's the other way around.
Oh, other way.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So, and you just want to straight do it, and then when you're doing it, you just flicking your wrist on this. Not too hard, but hard enough. Ready? 3, 2, 1, brawl. Yeah, see?
Nice.
Yeah, it's a lot easier.
Yeah. Alright.
So, we are at 400. But what I think I'm going to do is yeah. So
I'm at 750 and 12 damage.
Okay. So I'm going to use slow. So the thing with Leo, this is why I run Geogon as well.
I thought you can play Geogon on a non-artless Bakugan.
Well, no, you can use Geogon whenever you want. They're a reroll card, basically. That's the other reason I run Geogon is because if I roll Leo, I get into a battle and I'm stuck. I have to. He's not going to win, but I can play the Geogon and have a better chance of winning. So this goes back. It's 3, 3. And miss. So if you had magic shields, which, are you kidding? All right. Well, I have 1,000.
You have 1,000, huh?
Yep. I'm at 1,000.
And how many damage?
3.
1 energy. Play Baku Spring. I draw a card.
So it's actually 6. Sorry, 6 damage because of lightning.
6 damage, you say?
Yep, because of lightning.
I did not want to draw that. Okay. Said 6, huh?
Yep, 6 damage.
You know, I would like in an ideal world I would save this for when I have like a lot of damage coming from me. Well, 6 damage.
You've still got a pretty full deck,
Yeah.
relatively. But it's up to you.
It's your choice.
That's my observation.
Well, I do have a flaming fist. It said, okay. So how much B?
1,000.
1,000. Yeah, I'm not. I'm actively not.
Okay.
Even if I played Sledge.
Okay. So it is 6 damage.
1, 2, 3,
It's a chaos attack.
4. Stop chaos.
But you have to pay 2.
Yeah.
Me too.
There you go. All right. Perfect.
See, it's good that I didn't play this.
There you go. All right. So everything goes back. Draw. Oh yeah. Oh, you close. Yeah. Enoch closes.
Yeah. Closing is always fun.
Tell me about. At least he's not as hard as this guy.
Whoa.
Oh my god, what even is that?
It's how for Ultra.
This is interesting. Let's
Perfect. All right.
I already drew.
Energy.
Well, I energize. It's annoying.
Do you want to or fix up the helix? Yeah. Or the matrix, or whatever it's called, the field.
Hide the matrix.
Yeah. As a G1 player, it's always the field, right?
Yeah, I agree.
I know, go against the grain.
Well, I play Yu-Gi-Oh, so that's always the field anyways.
Sure.
Alright. I'm good to go.
Yes. Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, draw. Oh, I think I mistimed.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, I got two.
That's why you always hold it.
Yeah, you can roll. 3, 2, go. Yeah. Alright.
So we'll be at what? So 13. Uh, 22.
Press the darkest. I sacrifice this card. 12. Yep, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on F fusion, if you do.
It's four energy though.
No. We got 6.
Yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10, and
Yep.
10. 10? Was
Two
it?
more.
Oh, two more.
It was 12.
11. 12.
That every hand of energy for flip.
Yeah, when I'm taking big types of damage like that, I'm always hoping to hit a flip card that'll stop most of it. So in that case, I probably wouldn't have lessened the damage. I would have taken all of it, and then hope for a flip card.
Yeah. Dude, Leonidas.
Yeah, Leo is brutal.
He's legal in tourneys, though. Like, yeah.
There's only
they're like-
only a few cards and like a few combos that aren't legal, but that's per house rules. There were never any like real tournaments. So, all right. So
As
we're
it
good to go.
we draw. And
I'm not gonna energize you.
neither am I. My dragon goes against the grain.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, brawl. You blocked me. How dare you? I'm gonna reroll.
Oh, because it's Nilius.
Yeah, it's Nilius. I missed! You're kidding!
I take 1 damage.
Take 1 whole damage?
Yeah, 1 damage.
1 whole damage.
1 whole damage. Can you believe it?
Yeah, you got it. There we go. Let's do this. Okay. I almost hit that too. Shit.
Yeah. Wow.
Alright. We're done. We're done. We draw.
I am really banking on something big right now. Do I do it? Do I do the thing? Do I hit the ya?
Do you do the do?
Do I do the do? I do the do.
What is what do you do?
5 energy.
5 whole energies.
No, don't do it this turn.
Not this turn?
Yeah, if you do it, you'll have the advantage. You'll have nothing.
That's true. You're right.
Do it at the end of the turn.
I was thinking of like playing it
Yes,
and
play,
then
play it at the end of the turn.
gotcha. Okay.
Because if you play now, he'll have like a whole lot of energy to play.
Yeah.
You ready?
3, 2, 1, brawl. All right.
That's why you always do it real
You
slow.
almost
Like,
got double cord.
real slow, like. Alright, and then I get to grab another core.
So I'm at 1400, 10 damage.
Okay. So I'm gonna grab this core. Yep. And so for free, I want to play Darkest Destroyers.
That's how you that's true.
So it's got Shadow Strike. So we are at 800, 1050, 1050, 1350.
1350, you're still 50 short.
Oh, you're at
1400.
14?
Yep.
I'm 50 short. We'll go middle. So plus 400.
Plus 400.
So 1750.
This is a big risk. It's a big risk if I want to do this. It'll have to be. I won't be able to play this card anymore. Screw it. Got spring. I draw. Okay. Can I play this? Because oh yeah, of course I can. 1, 2, 3. Alchemist's Breath, 200B. So I'm at
1600.
1600. I draw 2 cards.
Sure.
1.
Hold on. 1350. 400.
This too is right. I can remember
So how much is Neely's at?
that. 1750.
That's still not enough. You're at
I'm
1600.
still short on nothing I can. Well, I could. No, I can't.
You don't have a Fire
I don't
Fist.
have a Fire Fist. I lose again, don't you?
I'll leave you at 1 health. Bet. We'll see how this next turn goes.
Alright, fine. 1 health.
1. Or you get to keep 1. Yeah, 2. So it's 2
Alright, go for it. Do a focus sash here.
Yeah, focus sash, right?
Of course.
If only that was happening.
Of course, now I get. Oh, it would have left me at 1 health anyway, right?
Or no. I'm holding a Helix.
Yeah.
And you have enough.
Stop Baku and
Yeah,
Chiiken Helix.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, so you don't take the brunt of the damage anyways.
Yeah.
So you're
Focus
still alive.
Barely.
Barely.
Yeah.
All right. We'll draw.
But I do this.
Yeah.
Return. I'm gonna close Hydronoid.
I have to get really unlucky, or you have to do a lot of damage. So I have to get really unlucky.
Well.
Well, either way, it's bad.
Yeah. No, I energize this card because it's either this turn or bust. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Maybe
So,
that's turn trying to use the die in your hand.
yeah, I could.
What you got to lose?
Wait. What?
What you got to lose?
Alright, so I'm just gonna go with Hydronoid again.
Okay. If we're going all or nothing.
Oh boy, here
Go,
it comes.
Alright. You ready?
3, 2, 1, brawl. Oh,
We both missed anyway.
there it goes.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Oh, it's great.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my no!
Fusion plus 500B. I'm at 1500.
I don't have a reroll. Okay. Yeah, you're good.
Alright, yeah, 10 damage.
10.
You still have your deck.
Shot.
And black hole.
Black hole.
Oh, at least you didn't use any energies.
Yeah.
Alright. Next turn.
So let's go. Enoch.
If Enoch misses,
Enoch, what are we aiming for? Any one of these? Alright.
make sure you like do the test to see how far Enoch can. Like,
I'm
Do
good.
the 2 cards.
2 cards? Alright. Okay, so it's like right here. So right at the tip of Dragon's one.
Good to go. 3, 2, 1, brawl.
oh my
Oh my
Careful,
God.
careful.
Okay.
Slowly.
There you go.
Okay. Okay.
I again do not have any rerolls.
Okay.
So we have plus 300B.
Okay, we got 10,
Oh, yeah, team attack. Let's go. Alright, so
Yeah.
10,
9,
19,
12,
yeah,
11,
22, 23.
23.
23, 23.
2. Yeah,
You gotta be
it do
kidding
be
me.
like that though.
It do be like that though. Damn. Alright, we closed everyone and put everything back.
It's gonna happen again, and I'm gonna hit another black hole, and then I'll be done. Like you're gonna hit me for like 25 damage, and you're like, well, that's that.
No, but salver. Yeah, when we have a damage, you buy some black hole somewhere.
The comeback of the century right now.
Right.
Alright, I got my team ready. I just need to grab my course. Unfortunately, it's
Double black hole.
Alright, Dragon Tret. What's Dragon Tret's? Oh, wait, ooh, what's this? What's this?
reroll.
Reroll.
Yeah, those are always good.
But he has to fuse first.
I feel like this
Go
is
with
a
your
safer
toughest guy
bet.
first.
Yeah, it's a safer bet.
Sure.
Oh, Hydro Crack. I remember I was like super iffy between choosing Hydro Crack or like a different Bakugan. I can't draw, so I'm chilling.
So until you take damage, you just keep playing.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I drew. So cool. Yeah.
Hold on, did you recharge?
But yeah.
Dark hole.
Oh, you're so right. So what? 6 of these should be done. Because it was 2 turns, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Not bad.
Damn, alright, shit. Alright, Hydro
Imagine
Crack.
one of the Yu-Gi-Oh versions Dark hole where it just takes all your cores away.
Yeah, right.
The five-headed squid sea monster versus a cat.
I know, right? All right, ready? 3,
No,
2,
hold up. Alright.
3, 2,
1, brawl. Oh yeah.
Wait, did he just...
I'll let you take it. I'm not doing any damage.
Alright, we're at 1,000 and
16
16 damage.
16.
What?
11. I'm at 16B, but no damage.
I just...
So 1600B.
But I'll use these two.
These two? Yeah.
You know, let me go with cheap and use these.
Both of these, yeah? Alright. So. 1, 2. Shadow Slicer gives me plus 400B, and I get to peek on top of my deck. Ah, there's nothing.
No, you got that because I don't have anything else. So I don't have any energy.
Wait, so how much B power were you at?
11.
16.
16.
16. Okay, and
You're still
then
at 14.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Here comes second strike.
Yep.
And I get plus 4 damage.
3 actually. 300 300 power and 4 damage.
Yeah, so
that's 20
that's
damage.
20 damage right there.
That is 20 damage.
That is in fact 20 damage.
If this was a team attack,
That is on the Brazilian reel. Oh, sorry, that was a Fun Group C joke. That is
1, 2,
damage right there, as we like to call it.
5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15,
What about
16,
flips?
17, 18, 19, 20.
Are you on the flips?
I'm out of flips. I know I am. It doesn't matter what I run here. This is not good.
okay, so
Wait, so, then you're on focus sash, or you got 2 left?
2,
okay,
but
this is
so
a final
yes.
match. Whoever deals the last damage this turn
Oh
wins the game, and then I can finally play.
Yeah.
Holy crap! All
I
right,
might actually leave.
I
after this
finally
game.
get to energize. No black holes. Oh my gosh! I will draw. I will not energize. I will pray.
I literally just have to like hit this.
Yeah,
I'm
guess
having
you
to go
with this
Leo
guy.
right
He
now.
this guy may be the strongest, but he's not going to help with the damage. Just usually him.
I
could-
have to Leo here.
What was your choice, man?
Yeah, I do this and then
Yeah, I have to.
all right. Yeah, because I have this. Yeah, I can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Mira la cebolla. Boom.
Alright. I'm measuring. I'm measuring here.
Please pray the God that Leonidas misses.
I'm measuring here.
Bismillah, here we go.
No, Bismillah. Okay,
Please miss. Please.
we're running it. All right, ready?
No.
3, 2, 1, brawl. You did open, but you didn't hit a core.
Damn, that would have helped.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so
Alright, how much B are you at?
I'm at 600. I'll let you have first draw.
600B?
Yeah. I'll let you have first draw.
Alright. Well, because if I do this, then I can't play this.
Yeah, I know, but wait, what the? Ooh. Okay, your call, man.
I'll let
But then you have
first
a risk because this guy, I played this guy before. He's hard. He's hard.
He do be hard. Pause.
Oh, boy.
How much did you say? 600?
600.
Just 100 above you.
Yeah.
And he just landed that damn poor.
3. I do Flame Wave 600B. I am now at 1100.
11.
1100.
Well, it's kind of rough. We're playing 4.
4.
We're going glaive.
Oh.
What's that?
So when I play it, I can attach a backer core.
And he has a 400 B power.
Plus 4, plus 2 cores, plus 14, 15.
That's Dame.
15, so 2K, 26. I believe.
There's not coming back from that, is there?
Nope.
26, and a whole lot of damage.
That's Dame.
Yeah, that's a game.
Hold on. I'll make. How much damage can I do?
Oh my god.
Dude, he's already
This
dead.
man's about to
How
damage
much
max.
Plus 3, plus another. Is that red core a plus 6? Who knows? I don't think it is. I'm gonna take it. Plus 3. Jesus. That's.
Curiosity.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was a plus 4.
It was a plus 4.
Okay, that's enough. The game's over.
Yeah.
He won. End of story.